So this exit ticket here is much like problem number 2 in the examples that we had done in class. Uh, it says here use the figure to the right for exercises 13 through 15. Kind of ignore the 13 to 15 part. Um, but point T is the center of the regular decagon. So what we're looking at here is that each one of the points out there, are going to be rotated about T. So basically, I'm going to end up with the same, shape as the decagon. It's just that the points will be in different places and segments will be in different orders and what have you. So when I look at these two questions, the first thing I want to do is I want to see what the angle of rotation is that maps B to H. Now, there's some background stuff I have to do before I do either one of these questions, and one of the things I have to figure out is, how is this incremented? If I move from one point to the next, if I move from like, in the counterclockwise direction, I'd be moving like from D to C and then C to B. Each one of those would be the result of me doing a rotation, but what kind of rotation is that? What's the basic rotation I'll be doing here? So, knowing that essentially I know there's going to be, and I didn't draw them completely here, but to kind of give you an idea of where that's coming from, essentially I have all of these lines here, all these angles I have here. So there's 10 of these angles. They're all, since this is a regular polygon, they're all assumed to be equal to each other, and they total 360 degrees. So if I have 10 angles totaling 360 degrees, that's how I know that that angle that's reported up there is 360 degrees. So let's get rid of all this stuff here. So the angle of rotation, if I move from B to H, and I basically, I'm just going to count, again, I'm heading in this general direction here. If I can get it to work. Here we go. There we go. I'm heading in this general direction here. So I'm going from B to A to J, and I'm basically just going to count. I did 1, 2, 3, 4 rotations. That's where this number comes from. So I did 4 36-degree rotations, which is 144 degrees. When I do the next one, FG to DE, again, I'm going to kind of look at the same thing, the same kind of circumstance. FG is this segment right here. DE, I can see, is going to be right here. So it looks like I'm going, from F is going 1, 2 of these 36-degree rotations. Same thing with G, 1, 2. So I'm going to have 2 times 36 degrees, or 72 degrees. And that's the end of this exit ticket discussion. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact me or your geometry teacher. Have a good day, everybody.